Hi friends! All of these DIYs were made using trash that we had saved and had on hand. Once you have all 6 sticks tied in, hang it on the wall. I'm using decorations that I had on hand. I bought these lights on Amazon last year. They plug into a USB plug just into the wall, so they're very handy. I'll link them in the description below. Christmas trees make excellent gifts, as well as being a super Christmas tree for those with a small space. Continue gluing all of the flowers around in a circle until you're satisfied with the shape of your wreath. Now it's time to paint our wreath. I initially started with just paint and a paintbrush. I highly recommend doing what I after changed to, and that is adding a few drops of water to a spray bottle and adding the paint and then spraying it on evenly. Now we're going to paint some berries. I used some beads that I already had on hand. I decided to make the wreath extra sturdy by gluing it onto an 18-inch craft hoop. You can also use wire or an embroidery hoop or something else that you have on hand. This is entirely optional. Another way of making it sturdy is by cutting the toilet rolls in 1.5 lengths instead of 1 centimeter lengths. Just pause the video to copy some of our designs. Don't worry about any tears. These can be easily repaired with painter's tape, and after we will be coating the whole surface of the cardboard with a mix of paint and tile glue. I rounded out any sharp edges with masking tape, just going around, for example, this circle, and evening it out before painting. I also used masking tape on all the little windows to make them look a bit sharper edges. Now we're ready to paint the village.